Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win every time with Dutchie. First, dedicate time to truly master all the platform's features, from point of sale to e-commerce. Understanding these tools is your first step towards consistent business success. Next, establish specific, measurable goals for your dispensary, focusing on growth and profitability. This helps you track progress effectively. Finally, begin analyzing market trends and competitor strategies. Recognizing these patterns gives you a significant strategic advantage. Strategic planning is paramount for consistent wins in your cannabis business. Craft a robust strategy that includes several backup plans, allowing you to adapt to market shifts. Optimize your product inventory and pricing to maximize sales and customer satisfaction. Furthermore, always leverage Dutchie's powerful analytics for data-driven decisions, ensuring every business move provides the highest possible return. This thoughtful approach minimizes waste and maximizes your potential for victory. When operating your dispensary, execute your sales and marketing plans with unwavering confidence and precision. Maintaining excellent customer service, even when facing challenges, is crucial for building loyalty. Be prepared to adapt your product offerings and promotions on the fly. Market demand can change rapidly, and your ability to pivot quickly will often determine your success. Staying agile and responsive ensures you're always one step ahead. After each sales period, take time to review your performance thoroughly. Pinpoint what worked well and where improvements can be made. Both successes and challenges offer valuable lessons, so embrace them as opportunities to refine your overall business approach. Actively seek out new Dutchie platform features and industry best practices. This continuous cycle of learning and adaptation is the true secret to winning consistently in the competitive cannabis market.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.